Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be discussing these frames and more from VoogueMe. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style, where you can find cute earrings like the ones I'm wearing right now. The link is down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so like I said, these frames are from VoogueMe. Okay, they actually sponsored this video, and I'm going to be showing you 5 pair of frames from their website, and they're all really chic and unique looking frames. Not only are they affordable, but you can get 15% off of your order using the code PINKY. So all these frames will be listed down below as well, and they all come with this cute little eyeglass case, and it zips up. Really cute eyeglass wipes so you can keep them smudge free. So I'm gonna kind of like do a show and tell with these frames. So these first frames, these are the Elvira Aviator crystal / gold eyeglasses. This style of frame has been really popular for the past few years, and I've never gotten my hands on a pair, but I've actually really like these. And I love clear frames because they pretty much go with everything, and then also they kind of like, even though these are large glasses, they don't like take away from my face. It's like you can kind of still see my face, so that's what I like about frames like these. They are very light and functional as well. So the next pair, okay, these frames are the Cadence Cat Eye Light Tortoise eyeglasses. As you can see, they kind of like have a cat eye look, but they're round at the same time. And I love the thick band that's on the side. I like the fact that these have like a nice little snug fit on my face. I feel like these would be really good for every day. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you want to spice up like a work outfit, or just add like a little change. I love big frames. I love big frames. I feel like they kind of like give your face a little character. I feel like they have kind of like a classic look as well. These are really fun. I like these. So next up is the Cadence Cat Eye White / black eyeglasses. And these are pretty much the same shape as the last frames. They're just like a different color. I feel like these are even more like cat eye-ish, with the half white and half black. I feel like these will really add a big pop to an outfit, especially if you're wearing something black and white. Like, they're really gonna make you stand out. And once again, you have the wide band. Like, I really love these because they're totally different from any other frames that I've ever had. Like, these really, I feel like, if I'm really trying to like step out and do something totally different, I feel like these will be the one. These will be the one that'll really like make things pop, because it's like two-tone. You just don't see this all the time. You don't see this coming. Like, it has more of like an artsy feel. Yeah, I really like these. Yeah, I love them. They kind of look a little classic to me. They have like a classic little flair. Yeah, these are really cute. So next up is the Rosara Square Blue-Green eyeglasses. And so these are two-tone as well, except like the top is more so blue, and then the bottom is like the more green part of the glasses. They have sort of that like jelly style look. Wide band once again. These are very sturdy, heavy glasses, by the way. All of these glasses that I've tried so far, they're like sturdy, and you can tell that they're going to be long lasting. Yeah, I really like the way these sit on my face. I feel like these like really complement my face. The blue. Like, I could just picture myself just rocking these with like a fire outfit and just like bam. I think my face shape looks the best with square frames. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little afraid to choose this color because it's like totally out of the box for me, but I'm so happy that I did, because I really love the way they look on me. They make me look a little bit more, sophisticated yet creative, which I love to look that way because that's me. No, I'm just playing. I'm goofy. I'm goofy, but I do have that side to me. So I really like the way these give me like a more sophisticated look. So the last pair, and I believe these are going to be my favorite. Bow, 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 bow. These are the Courtney Cat Eye red eyeglasses. Yes, ma'am. I'm loving these. I'm loving these. These are so cute. I've been wanting a nice pair of red eyeglasses for many of the reasons that I said I liked some of the other frames, but a nice pop of red, I feel like that will make you stand out. And you know, it has that classic cat eye. It just makes you feel like, once again, like that sophisticated feel, but I feel like you're really like, this is an attention grabber as well. Like a nice pair of red glasses, you're trying to like see like, what is she all about? You know, I feel like these frames are also great to like spice up your everyday. You know what I'm saying? You could throw these in a mix and people like, oh, where you get those from? And they have a nice little detail on the side. Okay. And these are a little bit lighter. They're not as heavy as some of the other frames. But yeah, I just like the look. I love this look. All right, y'all, so that's it for my show and tell. I really love all of these frames. I would really recommend you getting any one of them. I feel like they're all very durable yet affordable, very stylish yet practical, and I feel like you really will not regret your purchase if you buy any of these frames. Also, I'm going to mention again, if you place an order, you can use my code PINKY for 15% off of your entire order. And like I said, I just recommend y'all go and check that website out. It's VoogueMe. All the information will be down below. Let me know what you guys think about these frames. How do you feel they look on me? Do you plan on purchasing any yourself? And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.